All right, let's see how these came out. Nice and crispy. So if you want to see how you get your air fryer wings to come out nice and crispy and juicy, stay tuned. Hey guys, so DejaFitBeauty here, back with another video, and today I'm doing a cooking video. So recently I just bought an air fryer, and I'm telling you right now, if you do not have an air fryer, you need to get one. First of all, it's just the best thing ever since like the microwave. Like pretty much like air fryers are gonna be just as popular like microwaves because it's just so easy and convenient and healthier to cook food this way. And me personally, I love to eat wings, you know, like buffalo wings, but you know, you have to deep fry them, and that adds a whole lot of fat into the wings. Now, if you're keto, that's actually not bad. However, sometimes on keto, I don't want to add a whole bunch of fat. Sometimes I just want the protein. I don't want the whole, you know, I don't want all the fat. So, and it's quicker to cook it in here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna show you guys how to come out with the perfect buffalo wings or hot wings, whatever, the perfect air fryer wings. They're gonna come out crispy and juicy because there is like a technique that I do to make sure that it comes out fully cooked, fully juicy, nice and crispy. All right. Now for me, the key to getting them crispy, well, one of the keys is to coat them lightly with oil. Now I know the air fryer, now you don't have to use the oil, but avocado oil actually has a high frying point, so it makes the wings a little bit more crispier, and I only put a little bit. So I literally put like a dash in there, and then I just mix it around. Like literally, like this is probably all the oil that I'm gonna use. And I'm just gonna mix it around. Now you're just gonna take your seasoning. So I'm using this Zatarain's blackened seasoning, and I'm using some seasoned salt. Now you're just gonna take your wings and put them into the air fryer. So my air fryer is dirty because I already made a batch. But what I do is I just take it and I line it up in there, kind of like in a circle almost. And I'm trying to do this with one hand because I have my camera in the other hand because I don't have anybody to help me film. So, you know, I'm doing this all on my own. But yeah, so I just line it up like so. And the thing with the air fryer is it comes in sizes. So this is like this is called the XL, and as you can see, it's not that big. So if you do have a family, I suggest you get the more expensive one. Okay, now that you have your seasoning in there, what I like to do is I like to put like a second coating of seasoning. I don't know, that's just me. So I like my stuff to be like hella seasoned. Like that's just me. I don't know. So here's the kicker. So you put it in here, right? So what you want to do to get extra crispy wings is you want to put it on 400 degrees, and you want to cook it on both sides. So you're going to do 12 minutes on one side. So when this stops, you're gonna take it off and you're gonna flip it. The air fryer that I have, I got it on Amazon, and I want to say it was about $80 to $90 or something like that. I'll link it in the description below. But like I said, it's the best thing since sliced bread. You could just pop it in the dishwasher. Well, you can't put the whole thing in the dishwasher, but the tray, you can just take the tray out, pop it in the dishwasher. You know, it's very easy to clean. It cooks really, really fast. You can cook a lot of different things in there. I make wings in there. I can make bread stuff like my keto breads. My keto breads I make in there. You can bake. I cook steaks in here. I cook salmon in here. You can make all kind of stuff in here. So I went on a cruise and went white Hennessy crazy. I bought like 3 bottles of white Hennessy. I don't even drink white Hennessy, but here I am with 3 bottles of white Hennessy because you can only get this stuff overseas. So I was like, I gotta get some, but I'm supposed to be giving like 2 of these away to my friends. But yeah, definitely had to get some white Hennessy. All right, it is time to flip these. So I'm just gonna take your tongs and just gonna go ahead and flip them over. Like I said, guys, I'm doing this with one hand, so bear with me. We're gonna put a little bit more of this blackened season on here before we start it back up again, because I like my extra season. All right, guys, so we're just gonna put this back in here, put it back on 400, and for another 12 minutes. Okay, and there you have it, guys. Nice and crispy wings. So as you can see, well, I'm trying to get a better one so you can really see the crispiness. But after you let them sit for a while and cool down, they all get like really crispy. Yep, so there you have it, guys. So like I said, this is the most easiest and quickest way to get the most crispiest but juicy wings, okay guys? So this air fryer is amazing, and it's probably one of the more affordable ones. So like I said, if you guys want to get this air fryer, I'm going to link the one that I bought in the description. I got it off of Amazon. I want to say, I think it's like $80–$90, but all of them are around that price. And you don't want to get like a really small one, because you see how small mine is, and that one, this is considered the extra large, but there is one smaller than this one. So if you're cooking for more than one person, you should get the bigger one. Even like for me, I'm cooking for me, but this is like the perfect size. Anything smaller than this, it wouldn't even be worth it. So go ahead and check it out, guys. Don't forget to join my fitness Facebook group, ladies. Go ahead and click the link in the description below to join my fitness Facebook group, where I post a lot more content, things like that. And I'll see y'all on the next video. Bye, guys.